Now the third class, the taking turns MAC protocols. So it is to try to take the best from the two worlds, random access and channel partitioning. So the first of the taking turn MAC protocol is polling. So there is a master node usually inviting the slave nodes to transmit in turns. So as animated, the master polls one of the device and data comes. Master polls another slave and then the data come back. So this is the kind of MAC used for dumb slaves, such as a keyboard, such as a mouse. Okay. The concern is that there's a polling overhead from the master to the dumb device and back. There's of course also a latency associated with the exchange of polling messages and data. And the master there is a single point of failure. Now this is the second flavor. It's called the token passing. So instead of having a master controlling things, this token is actually a central control. Okay, so this token will be passed from a node to another. Okay, passed from one node to another in a certain order. Okay, so in this case, yeah, this token is passed counterclockwise to the node on the left. Okay, if the node has nothing to send, the token will be passed quickly to the node at the bottom. And this one at the bottom has some data. Data goes out. Okay, so that token message is the control. Okay, now of course there's this overhead of sending a token, and there's also a certain latency passing the token around. Now we don't have a master node being the single point of failure, but if someone lost the token or the machine holding the token failed, then the system also failed. Now let's sum up the MAC protocols we've talked about. Class 1 is channel partitioning. So we divide the channel into pieces in terms of time or frequency space or the code space. Second class is the random access MAC. We've introduced the slotted aloha, pure aloha, CSMA, CSMA-CD. Now among the four, the CS ones are easier, and we see them commonly in the link layer technologies today. For example, CSMA-CD is used by the wired Ethernet. CSMA-CA is used in the wireless AO2.11. Class 3 is the taking turns protocol. So we have two flavors of these taking turns protocol. One is having a master node polling the slaves around. The other is having a token being passed around by the nodes on the channel. So Bluetooth is such a master-slave polling MAC protocol. FTDI and token rings, these are older protocols. They are based on the token passing principle.